You know, when I talk to different journalists, I always make it clear that if they're willing to label the Chechen Republic of Ichkeria as a separatist republic or as a rebel republic in their project or in their article, that I'm not willing to talk. Why? Simply because I do not represent a separatist republic. I do not represent a rebel republic. I represent the Chechen state, which is today occupied by the Russian Federation. I urge all Western journalists to stop using Russian terms and to stop spreading the Russian propaganda. Why? Because the label a Chechen separatist state is a label that is specifically made up by Russian propaganda machine to discredit the Chechen government, to discredit the Chechen resistance, and to discredit the Chechen Republic of Ichkeria, the Chechen state. In fact, the truth is that the Chechen Republic of Ichkeria was never part of the Russian Federation. The Chechen Republic of Ichkeria adopted its constitution 1 year earlier than the Russian Federation. The Chechen Republic of Ichkeria started its existence as a state before the Russian Federation, and the Chechen Republic of Ichkeria never signed the federal treaty with the so-called Russian Federation. And labeling the Chechen Republic of Ichkeria as a separatist republic is completely wrong.